DJI has been leading the drone industry for years, and every new Mavic model brings exciting advancements. Now, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is highly anticipated, and rumors suggest it will be the most powerful and feature-packed drone yet. Based on leaked images, insider reports, and industry speculation, here is everything we know about the upcoming DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature a sleek and aerodynamic design. Leaked images show that it has a streamlined body, which may improve speed and efficiency during flight. The drone's folded shape has been compared to a hawk in mid-dive, showing DJI's focus on aerodynamics. A well-designed body reduces air resistance, allowing for longer and smoother flights. One major change is the redesigned camera housing. Some leaked pictures show a unique camera setup that looks similar to a security camera or a PTZ live streaming camera. This design could allow the camera to rotate more freely, giving users better angles for capturing stunning aerial shots. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to be built with high-quality materials to withstand harsh conditions. Whether flying in strong winds, cold temperatures, or light rain, the drone should be able to handle tough environments. DJI often includes weather resistance features, so we may see some level of water and dust protection. The Mavic 4 Pro will likely continue DJI's partnership with Hasselblad, a well-known camera brand. This means the new drone could have a professional-grade camera capable of capturing high-quality images with great color accuracy. A key improvement is the camera's ability to tilt upwards by an extra 10 degrees. This means it can tilt up to 70 degrees, making it easier to capture high-angle shots. Previous Mavic drones had limited upward tilting, so this is a welcome improvement for filmmakers and photographers. Another new feature is manual roll control. The camera's roll axis can now be adjusted manually, giving pilots more creative control over their footage. This allows for dynamic and artistic shots that were difficult to achieve on previous models. Flight time is always a big concern for drone users. According to leaks, the Mavic 4 Pro could have an impressive flight time of around 50 minutes on a single charge. This would be a significant improvement over previous Mavic models, which typically had around 40-minute flight times. To support this extended flight time, DJI is expected to introduce new propeller designs. The propellers will have an easy-release disc on top, which improves airflow and reduces noise. These improvements could make flights quieter and more stable, benefiting both hobbyists and professionals. Fast and efficient charging is essential for drone pilots who need to maximize flight time. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to support 240-watt fast charging, allowing users to charge batteries quickly. DJI is also said to be introducing a parallel charging hub, which will let users charge multiple batteries at the same time. This is great news for professionals who need to minimize downtime between flights. Leaked images suggest that the Mavic 4 Pro will be compatible with the DJI RC Pro 2 controller. This high-end controller is expected to offer improved range, signal stability, and better overall performance. A leaked video also shows someone flying the Mavic 4 Pro using the DJI Goggles 3. This hints that the drone may have enhanced first-person view (FPV) support, making it more immersive for users who enjoy a live, real-time view from the drone's perspective. Safety is always a priority for DJI, and the Mavic 4 Pro will likely feature advanced obstacle avoidance technology. The drone is expected to have omnidirectional sensors, meaning it can detect obstacles from all directions. These sensors help prevent crashes and allow for intelligent flight modes like automatic return to home and precise landing. Additionally, DJI could improve its active track technology, allowing the drone to follow subjects more smoothly and avoid obstacles automatically. This would be useful for filming action scenes, sports events, and outdoor adventures. With high-resolution cameras becoming more common, storage is a crucial factor. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to offer built-in internal storage, allowing users to save footage directly to the drone. It will also support microSD cards for additional storage, making it easier to manage large video files. DJI is known for making media management easy, so we can expect a fast transfer system to move files quickly from the drone to a computer or mobile device. DJI's Fly app is one of the most user-friendly drone control applications, designed to provide a seamless and intuitive experience for pilots of all skill levels. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to integrate smoothly with this app, enhancing the overall flying experience with a range of advanced features. Users can access real-time telemetry data, including battery level, altitude, and speed, ensuring they have complete control and awareness during flights. Additionally, the app supports intelligent flight modes such as waypoints, panorama, and hyperlapse, allowing for creative and automated aerial shots with minimal effort. Live streaming capabilities make it easy to broadcast footage directly to social media platforms or professional streaming services, making the Mavic 4 Pro a powerful tool for content creators. With improved AI and automation, flying this drone will be more accessible than ever, even for beginners, enabling smooth operation and high-quality results with minimal learning curve. DJI has not officially announced the Mavic 4 Pro yet, but based on leaks and rumors, it seems like a release is coming soon. Some reports suggest that DJI might announce the drone in mid to late 2025. As for pricing, the Mavic 4 Pro will likely be more expensive than the Mavic 3 Pro. The estimated price range is between $2,000 to $2,500, depending on different package options. This pricing is in line with previous Pro models, offering a balance between performance and affordability for professional users. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the drone industry. With its improved design, powerful camera, longer flight time, and advanced safety features, it could set a new standard for both professional and hobbyist drone pilots. While we wait for an official announcement, the leaks and rumors give us a promising look at what might be DJI's best drone yet. Whether you are a filmmaker, photographer, or just a drone enthusiast, the Mavic 4 Pro could be the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. So that was all about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Thanks for watching.